If you're thinking of selling your home, I have 3 things that you can do to help your home appeal to buyers without breaking the bank. I'm Cheryl Cook. I love homes and I am a realtor here in Halifax, Nova Scotia. Number 1 is neutral paint in high traffic areas. I know a lot of times you'll hear people say, oh, paint the whole house, neutralize it. I understand that isn't always possible. So if you are trying to select areas to paint, think about high traffic areas that may have a little more wear in them: kitchens, hallways, entryways, living rooms, areas like that. The neutral paint that you're looking for is just an off-white. We don't have to overthink it, and really don't choose color if you can avoid it. The more color you have, the more specific it is. And what you're looking for is something that has broad neutral appeal for buyers, something they look at and say, oh, I can live with that, until they choose what color they'd like to add. So brighten up those spaces with a bit of neutral, off-white paint. Think about the trim as well. If your trim and doors are looking a bit worn or scuffed, give those a quick coat of semi-gloss white. Now, the second tip is for lighting. Cozy ambient lighting is for when you're hanging out by yourself in your little nest. It is not for when you're trying to get buyers to appreciate what a great space you have. What you're looking for then is bright LEDs that light up the space. This is particularly important in any space that might already be a little dark or gloomy, like a hallway or a bathroom without a window, but especially in function areas like the kitchen and bathroom. We want those to look bright and clean. Finally, step out on the street, turn around, have a look at your place and see how the curb appeal looks. Does the yard need a bit of a tidy? Do you need to trim some bushes down? Could you add a few pots of plants or planters? Does your front door need a little bit of a freshen, maybe a coat of paint? These are simple things that you can do that welcome buyers, make your home look well maintained, and make it look fresh and clean inside, which is really important. If you have any questions about this or anything to do with buying or selling a home, get in touch anytime. I'm happy to answer your questions.